Alright, so these are all the soil that I'm going to use for my gardening this year. The first one is going to be the Miracle-Gro Performance Organic. This is going to be the first time I'm using this. This one, the Organic Miracle-Gro Potting Mix, I've used this every time I'm gardening. That's all I use, and I know how to use it well, but I want to try something different. So I'm going to use that as well. I'm going to use this as well. And I'm going to use another new one. I have not used this before. So this is also new. It's going to be the back roots. So this is the back to the roots, all natural. Back to the roots, natural and organic all-purpose potting mix. Going to be my first time using it, and these are very, very light. The back to root is very heavy, even for the 1 cubic foot. It's very, very heavy, so keep that in mind. And now all we have to do is just start planting, and it is raining here. There's a little shower rain happening right now. So I'm going to see how the weather allows, and if it does, then I'll start planting today, but if not, then we will do that tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you. I tell you, it's gonna be fun.